This must be the easiest job ever. This pandemic accelerated the growth of online marketing, which was already growing quite quickly. This means there's a higher demand for online jobs, especially for chat assistants. Customers love talking to a business through chat assistants. They get instant replies and their questions are solved immediately, and this makes them even more likely to buy a product. This is why businesses need more and more live assistants. Now, you might think you need to be an expert to become one, but no. In fact, you need no previous experience, and you'll be given the answers to the most common asked questions, so you'd know from there what to tell to the customers. The businesses will give you trainings where you will find out everything you need to know about this, even if you have zero experience. And you'll be able to do this in no time. It's so simple that anyone can do it. The best parts of these kind of jobs is that you can do it remotely from your couch. You don't need to show your face. It's not a video chat, it's just a text chat. You set your own program, no more 9 to 5 or pre-scheduled hours for work. When you feel like it, just go on your phone, your computer or your laptop, whatever, and just start working. To join the platform and get your job, all you need to do is to click the link in the description and you'll be given a survey to see what device you'll be using. This can be a tablet, a phone, or a computer. And what social media platforms would you prefer? After this, you can join the platform, and if you hurry, you can get a massive discount, which would allow you to join for just $1 because it's such a high demand for chat assistants at the moment. It's unbelievable. They usually don't let people join the platform on so cheaply, but due to the high demand, they had no choice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more side hustle videos.